Hello, everyone. I'm Mateo, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to learn some of the most important cryptocurrency terms that every beginner should know. If you've ever heard words like coin, token, blockchain, or white paper and felt confused, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll understand the basics. Let's start with blockchain. A blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger that records transactions securely and transparently. Instead of being controlled by a single company or government, it's maintained by thousands of computers around the world, making it highly secure and difficult to alter. Now, what's the difference between a coin and a token? A coin is the native currency of its own blockchain. For example, Bitcoin is the coin of the Bitcoin network, and Ether is the coin of the Ethereum network. Coins are mainly used for payments, transaction fees, and securing their blockchain. A token, on the other hand, is created on top of an existing blockchain. Most tokens are built on networks like Ethereum or BNB chain. Tokens can represent many things, including digital assets, governance rights, in-game items, or access to specific services. Another important term is the white paper. A white paper is the official document of a cryptocurrency project. It explains the project's goals, the problem it aims to solve, how the technology works, the token distribution, and the team's future plans. Reading a project's white paper is one of the best ways to understand whether it's worth your attention. Next, let's talk about crypto wallets. A wallet doesn't actually store your cryptocurrency. Instead, it stores the private keys that give you access to your digital assets. This is why keeping your private key and recovery phrase safe is extremely important. If someone gets access to them, they can control your funds. These are just the fundamentals of cryptocurrency, but understanding them gives you a strong foundation for exploring the crypto world with more confidence. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and I'll see you in the next video.